Hello and welcome to an episode of Southwest Hunting Adventures. Today I took my daughter out dove hunting, and we actually did pretty good for a late evening hunt. We ended up getting 8 doves total, and I'm going to go ahead and do a how-to video on how to properly clean a dove, at least the way that I do it. So let's get to it. First, take the wings, break them. You want to break both wings. Like that. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to feel for the breastplate. Here it is. Go all the way to the very bottom. Go inward. Put your fingers like this. Peel back. And if you like eating the hearts, me and my daughter do, put your thumb on the heart so you don't lose it. And then you just peel open like that. Toss that. And then what you're going to want to do now is peel back the skin so you get all the skin and the feathers off in one go. Pull back like this, like that. You want to get it as clean as possible, as best as you can, clean wise. Get all the feathers as best as you can off. Definitely want to get all the skin off, but try and get as much of the feathers as you can. If not, that's fine. We're actually out in the field still, so I'll be watching these when we get back home. But you want to get as much as you can. And then, just like that, that's how you clean a dove. Dove cleaning 101, at least the way we do it. Okay. Now, if you like this content and enjoy it, please like and subscribe to Southwest Hunting Adventures, and we'll see you on the next adventure.